Hello everyone, I am Dr.A.NAGALAXMI, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance in Dr. S.N.S.Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science Autonomous, Coimbatore 49. I am here to explain a concept, Introduction, the Environment Protection Act under Environmental Laws. Introduction, the Environment Protection Act. So the Environment Protection Act was enacted in 1986. In India, the Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984 called for urgent legislation in the field of environment. It was a tragic event happened in India, Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. After that, the government showed a very importance for the environmental protection. In this background, the Parliament passes the Environmental Protection Act in 1986 and the Environmental Protection Rules in 1986. The Environment Protection Act was enacted in the year 1986. The Act was passed to provide for the protection and improvement of environment and for matters connected therewith. The Act gives certain powers to the central government to take measures for the purpose of protecting and improving the quality of the environment and to prevent environmental pollution. We should know what is meant by pollution. Pollution is the introduction of substance or energy that causes adverse changes in the environment and the living entities. Types of pollution. As stated before, there are different types of pollution which are either caused by natural events like forest fires or by man-made activities like car, factories, nuclear waste, etc. These are further classified into the following types of pollution: water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution and air pollution. Here are some definitions which comes under section 2 of Environmental Protection Act. Now we are going to see the first term, that is environment, which includes water, air and land, and the interrelationship which exists among and between water, air and land and human beings and other living creatures, plants, microorganisms and property. Environmental pollutant means any solid, liquid or gaseous substance present in such concentration may be or tend to be injurious to the environment is called as environmental pollutant. Now we are going to see environmental pollution means the presence in the environment of any environmental pollutant. This implies an imbalance in the environment. The materials or substance, when after mixing in air, water or land, alters their properties in such manner that the very use of all or any of the air, water and land by man and any other living organism becomes lethal and dangerous for health. Hazardous substance means any substance or preparation which by reason of its chemical or chemical properties or handling is liable to cause harm to human beings, other living creatures, plants, microorganisms, etc. The objective of this act is as mentioned earlier, the main objective of the act was to provide the protection and improvement of environment and for the matters connected therewith. Other objectives of the implement of Environmental Protection Act are clean air and water. What is the first objective? Is clean air and water. Make sure the air we breathe and the water we use are pollution free, keeping us healthy. Next is control pollution. Put rules in place to prevent and control various kinds of pollutions like air, water, and noise. Protect nature, safeguard our natural resources like forest, wildlife, and biodiversity. So they are there for future generations. Manage hazardous waste. Properly handle and dispose of waste that can harm the environment or people's health. Sustainable development. The balance process with nature's well-being, ensuring we grow without damaging our environment or surroundings. Legal action. Set up the rules for legal actions and penalties if someone breaks the environmental rules, keeping everyone accountable. Public awareness. Spread knowledge about environmental issues and encourage everyone be responsible earth caretakers. Government authority. Give the government the powers to regulate and enforce the law, ensuring everyone follows the eco-friendly path. The last one is global commitment. Align the global agreement and commitments to protect the planet globally. So for all these 9 things, these are the objectives of these 9 things are the objectives of Environmental Protection Act. Thank you so much for your patience listening.